In the heart of Italy, the Leaning Tower of Pisa holds a quirky secret. It's not just its tilt that fascinates scientists, but its survival through 4 major earthquakes. Built on soft soil, you'd think it would crumble. Yet the very soil that causes its lean also acts as a shock absorber, a phenomenon known as dynamic soil structure interaction. This unique balance keeps it standing, defying expectations. Next time you see the tower, remember, it's not just leaning, it's dancing with nature. Like, comment and subscribe for more surprising stories like this.